Idag är det den 10 mars. Klockan är exakt 09.06 och jag har helt plötsligt 2 huskies i min bädd. Sydney. Oh. Are you supposed to Are you supposed to be up here? Are you supposed to be up here? Huh? Are you supposed to be up here, Sydney? Look. Sydney, are you supposed to be up here? Huh? I know you hear me. Look at that face. That face says, yeah, I hear ya, but yeah, I'm not listening. Right? Sydney. Aww. Sydney, are you so cute? Are you really supposed to be up? How's that? Huh? How's that? Sydney? Sydney. Oh, outside. There's Abby. Outside there.
Where?
In the window she just passed. Sydney. Sydney. There's the other dog over there. Sydney. Sydney. Look at her. Sydney. Sydney. Oh, you're so cute. All right. You really don't care what I'm saying, right? Yep. Didn't think so.
Do your parents understand Swedish?
Yeah, of course they do.
I mean, English.
Yeah, they do. Alrighty. I don't think they speak husky though, but okay. Alright. Oh, that's Abby. She wouldn't come inside. Oh, look who's coming. It's Brownie. Come on, Brownie.
Come.
Oh, what is this? Some kind of hotel or what? Okay.
Come on.
Oh, she's gonna... Oh, I think it's a little bit too high for old Abby. I'm just gonna sit here. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. Abby. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up. See you later. Oh, that's...
Alligator!